Sira na yung pinaka-ano, pero pwede mo nang po-check.
Sige. Ayan. Sama ko si Bon.
Para pwede mong i-ano bukas sa
Oo, sa Island
Island
Hopping.
Hopping. Bukas maaga tayo.
Anong oras?
8.
8.
Para... Hindi naman. Bayad po.
Bali 8 po. Bukas.
8 tayo bukas.
Yes po.
Mag-island happy.
Opo.
Diyan lang naman
Lima,
po,
pero dyan?
ma'am.
Sa
may
Long, kayo
Royal Front.
makaibong long.
Hindi po kayo lalayo.
Puro sa yan, baby.
Hindi po. Pahila. Yan. Hi, I'm back. Again, this is Tiger Lily and this is the point of view at the moment of a transfer resident here in the island of Boracay, Parao Sailing Edition. There you go. This is the experience. Nice one. Ang signal dito kanina nawala ang signal. 1 million viewers. Thank you so much for dropping by. It'll be 8 p.m. Sila tita at ayun. Sunset. Ayaw nitong maano. Thank you so much for dropping by. Please like and share. Thank you so much for dropping by. Like and share. Yes. Yun lang. Okay. Ito na lang.